Hi, I'm Raw Chef Yin, vegan chef, author, and TEDx speaker. Welcome to Signature Market. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a vegan mushroom soup. So for today's vegan mushroom soup, these are the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using the organic Shiitake mushrooms. There's also going to be some garlic, some shallots. We're putting in a bit of salt. We're going to garnish this with parsley. There's also going to be a bit of olive oil. There's Nutritional yeast, Signature Market organic soy sauce. We're also putting in some herbs, some dried herbs. So there's rosemary and there's thyme. We'll also put in some water. There's some miso paste, and over this side we're going to have some cashews to make it creamy, and also some celery. So those are the ingredients. The first step to make the mushroom soup is we're going to put the water and the cashew nuts into the blender. Putting in the water. Then we're going to put in the cashew nuts. So these cashew nuts have been soaked overnight, so that it's much easier to blend and also to remove the enzyme inhibitors. We've also rinsed it twice and then drained it. Right, and blend it up. Okay, now that we've blended it up, the cashews and the water, we're going to put in the rest of the ingredients. What I'll do is I'll put in the mushrooms first. What we've done is, these were the dried Shiitake mushrooms. So we have soaked them for about half an hour. And then after half an hour, we sliced it up. We're going to blend some, but not all of them, because I still want to have a bit of mushrooms that you can bite on when you drink the soup, and also some mushrooms on the top as well. Okay, looks like it's blended up really nicely. So for flavoring, what we're going to do is, first I'm going to put in some of the liquids. This is the olive oil. So it's going to help it be even more creamier. And then I'm going to put soy sauce. And then we're going to put in some miso so that you have that umami flavor. I'm also going to put in the Signature Market Nutritional yeast. So that gives it its cheesy flavor and really nice. The thing I'm going to do is put in the celery. And let's just cover this and blend this first. So just even if you have just like the normal blender at home, you should be able to make this. We're just going to add in the garlic, a bit of garlic to give it more flavor. And then we've also sliced up the shallots. There's going to be dried herbs, so we're putting in thyme. Put in some rosemary as well. Today I'm using the dried herbs, but if you want to use fresh herbs as well, you can do the same thing. So by now you should have a really flavoursome and creamy soup as well. So I'm just going to put some of the mushrooms into the bowl. And then what we're going to do is pour it out. And then now what we're going to do is top it up with some of the mushrooms. Okay, and then, okay, as a final touch, we're going to put in some of this organic ground cayenne pepper just on top. So here is your dairy-free but really creamy vegan mushroom soup made from all these healthy ingredients from Signature Market. And we have a Signature Market giveaway for you. Answer this question: what are the dried herbs that we used in this vegan mushroom soup? So answer below, and all the best, may you win the puzzle. So if you enjoyed this vegan recipe from me, all you have to do is subscribe to the Signature Market YouTube channel, like and share this video, and you get more recipes. See you soon! Bye!